Alright guys, so we're going to look at segment proof example 2. Okay, so we're going to start off with our given. Segment AB is congruent to segment CD. And they're also telling us that segment CD is congruent to segment EF. And they want us to prove that segment AB is congruent to segment EF. Okay, so remember, first thing you do is always start off with the givens. So segment AB is congruent to segment CD, and then also segment CD is congruent to segment EF. Okay, we can state that because it's given to us. Okay, so I'm looking at two congruency statements. Remember, the definition of congruency states that they are equal in size. Okay, so we can make a statement about the length of those segments. So the length of AB is equal to the length of CD, and then the length of CD is equal to the length of EF. Okay, now we can make that statement because our definition of congruency states that they are equal in length. Congruency. Okay. Okay, so looking at this, I see CD and CD. Okay, so there's a property that states if two things are equal to the same thing, then they are equal to each other. Okay, so since AB and EF are both equal to CD, then that means they're equal to each other. So AB is equal to EF. Okay, do y'all remember which property that is? If you were thinking transitive, then you are correct. Okay, y'all, we are really close here. So we have AB is equal to EF, and we are trying to prove that segment AB is congruent to segment EF. Okay, so because those are equal in length, we can state that they're congruent to each other. So segment AB is congruent to segment EF. Okay, and that's going to be our definition of congruency again. Okay. Y'all, I hope this helped you out. I will see